Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 10 easiest ways to make money. We're talking about side hustles that can earn you some extra cash or even full-time gigs that can replace your job. Whether you're saving up for something big, need to pay off some bills, or just want some extra spending money, this video has got you covered. Let's get started. First up, we've got online surveys. It's crazy how many companies will actually pay for your opinion. Think about it, companies need information to make their products and services better, right? So they're willing to pay people like you and me to get that information. There are tons of websites out there that offer paid surveys. All you gotta do is sign up, fill out your profile, and start taking surveys. They'll ask you about your interests, your shopping habits, even your opinion on different brands. It's super easy. Now, I'm not gonna lie, you're not gonna get rich taking surveys, but it's a super easy way to make some extra cash in your free time. You can do it while you're watching TV, waiting for an appointment, or even on your lunch break. Every little bit adds up. Plus, some of these survey sites give you points for every survey you complete, and you can redeem those points for gift cards or even cash. Not a bad deal, right? So if you're looking for a low-effort way to make some extra money, definitely check out online surveys. If you enjoy writing, freelance writing could be your golden ticket. Seriously, everyone needs a writer these days, from businesses to bloggers to YouTubers like me. And the best part is, you can do it all online. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are amazing places to find freelance writing gigs. You can create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects that interest you. You can find everything from writing blog posts and website content to creating social media captions and even writing scripts for videos. And the earning potential is pretty sweet too. As you gain experience and build up your portfolio, you can start charging higher rates. Some freelance writers even make 6 figures a year. How crazy is that? So, if you've got a knack for words and you're looking for a flexible and potentially lucrative side hustle, definitely give freelance writing a shot. Are you a crafty person? Do you love making things with your hands? Well, guess what? You can actually make money from it. Etsy is like the ultimate online marketplace for all things handmade. Think about it. People are always looking for unique, one-of-a-kind items. Whether it's jewelry, clothing, home decor, or even personalized gifts, there's a huge demand for handmade goods. And Etsy makes it super easy to set up your own online shop and start selling. You can create your own brand, set your own prices, and connect with customers all over the world. It's a fantastic way to share your passion with the world and make some money while you're at it. And the best part is, you're in complete control. You decide what you want to make, how much you want to sell it for, and how much time you want to invest. It's the perfect side hustle for creative entrepreneurs. Do you love animals? Like really love animals? Well then, pet sitting might be the perfect side hustle for you. People are crazy about their pets and they're always looking for trustworthy people to take care of them when they can't. Pet sitting is exactly what it sounds like. You basically become a pet's temporary guardian, taking care of their basic needs like feeding, walking, and playing. You might even get to cuddle up with them on the couch. You can find pet sitting gigs through word of mouth, local classifieds, or even dedicated pet sitting apps. And the pay can be surprisingly good, especially if you're taking care of multiple pets at once. Plus, you get to spend time with adorable animals. It's a win-win situation. Alright, let's talk about ride sharing. If you've got a car and a driver's license, you can literally start making money today with apps like Uber and Lyft. It's crazy convenient. You get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and choose which rides you want to accept. You can drive during your free time on weekends or even make it your full-time gig. The flexibility is amazing. Plus, you get to meet new people from all walks of life. It's like a social experiment on wheels. And you can make some decent cash while you're at it, especially during peak hours and weekends when demand is high. So if you're looking for a flexible and potentially lucrative side hustle, definitely check out ride sharing. Just make sure you have a clean driving record and a reliable car. Do you have a spare room in your house or apartment? Why not put it to work and make some extra money? Platforms like Airbnb have made it easier than ever to rent out your space to travelers from all over the world. Think about it. People are always looking for affordable and unique places to stay, and your spare room could be the perfect solution. You can set your own prices, choose your own availability, and even screen potential guests to make sure they're a good fit. It's a great way to earn passive income and meet interesting people from all over the world. Plus, you get to be a mini hotelier. How cool is that? Just make sure you check your local regulations and insurance policies before you get started. Are you a whiz at math, a grammar guru, a history buff? If you've got a knack for a particular subject, tutoring could be your calling. There's a huge demand for tutors these days, both online and in person. Parents are always looking for extra help for their kids, and many adults are also seeking to improve their skills or learn something new. You can tutor students of all ages, from elementary school to college and beyond. Online tutoring platforms make it super easy to connect with students from all over the world. You can set your own hours, choose your own rates, and teach from the comfort of your own home. It's a flexible and rewarding way to make a difference in people's lives and earn some serious cash. All right, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is one of my favorite ways to make passive income online. Basically, you promote other people's products or services and you earn a commission on every sale you make. It's a win-win situation. The company gets more customers and you get paid for your efforts. The best part is, you don't even need your own products or services to get started. You can promote anything from physical products to online courses to software. There are tons of affiliate programs out there, and many of them offer recurring commissions, which means you can keep earning money from a single sale for months or even years to come. How cool is that? Are you always the one taking pictures? Do you have a knack for capturing stunning landscapes or interesting everyday moments? Well, guess what? You can actually make money from your photography skills. There are tons of websites out there that allow you to sell your photos and videos as stock footage. Businesses, bloggers, and even YouTubers like me are always on the lookout for high-quality images and videos to use in their content. Every time someone licenses your photo or video, you get paid. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income from something you love doing. And the best part is, you can upload your photos once and potentially earn money from them for years to come. Last but not least, let's talk about becoming a virtual assistant. This is a booming industry, as more and more entrepreneurs and businesses are realizing the benefits of outsourcing tasks to remote workers. As a virtual assistant, you can provide a wide range of services such as email management, social media management, appointment scheduling, customer service, and much more. Basically, you're like a digital superhero, helping busy people get things done. You can find virtual assistant gigs on freelance platforms, job boards, or even by reaching out to businesses directly. And the earning potential is pretty awesome, especially as you gain experience and specialize in a particular niche. And there you have it, folks. 10 easy ways to make money. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to earn some extra cash, or a full-time gig to replace your job, there's something on this list for everyone. Remember, the most important thing is to take action. Don't just watch this video and do nothing. Choose one or two ideas that resonate with you and start exploring them further. You never know where it might lead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.